Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm Rohit Khilnani. For a lot of you who know me as an entertainment journalist, let me tell you what I do on this channel. I do a lot of gadget reviews, recos, unboxing because I'm a gadget freak. I love gadgets. ये सब मैं खुद खरीदता हूँ. Nobody's telling me to put all this out and nobody's paying me for it either, which is quite sad. But nevertheless, मैं काफ़ी DSLR के बारे में बातचीत कर चुका हूँ. But people wrote to me and said हम मोबाइल से शूट करना चाहते हैं. We don't want to get into any major photography. So that's true. Everybody doesn't want to invest in a DSLR. DSLR operate करना is also you have to go through some basic learning. आप ऐसे नहीं इसकी सबसे महंगी कैमरा खरीदी and you can just take pictures. It doesn't work like that. Which lens to buy, what settings you should use. So that's a job by itself. So for all those who want to do mobile photography, जो आप काफ़ी आप सब करते भी है, but you can better it with a few things. So this is something that you need. I have just bought this Skyvik company की Signy 3-in-1 lens kit. इस किट में 3 लेंस आते हैं आपके मोबाइल फ़ोन के लिए. Doesn't matter which mobile phone you're using. So I'm going to first do the unboxing, then I'll show you some pictures that I took with it. There are 3 lenses inside and I'm also going to take this out and I'm also going to shoot with it. So let's first start with the unboxing. So let's see what's inside the box. So inside the box, first thing is this premium hard case, which I think I'll be using for my travel, and all the lenses will be inside this. There is a hi there, lots of love card. You can contact them. These are their contact details. And also there's a thank you card. I love when we invest in something and someone says thank you, and my Skyvik is the handle, and some important information. There's some more paperwork. What's important is it has details about all the lenses that they have apart from this one that I've bought. काफ़ी सारे lenses हैं इनके पास. Anamorphic lens is the one that I'm going to buy next. This is the My Pocket DSLR instruction manual. Everybody should take out time to read this one for sure. Lens कैसे fit होता है, how to clip it, and how to get the best results. So let's open the case and see what's inside and how everything is placed. Wow, this really looks premium quality. आप सोच रहे होंगे 3-in-1 kit है, लेकिन इसमें 2 ही लेंस है, लेकिन there are 2 lenses attached to each other. These are 2 lenses. This is one. This is the clip जिससे आपके फ़ोन पे ये लेंस फिट होगा. This is the lens. I'll come to the lenses in a bit. पहले देखते हैं और क्या क्या है. Clip. This is a case and the cloth. This is the cloth to keep your lenses clean. The case can also work as a cloth. It's really good. This is the clip so that you can carry the case wherever, and you can hook it with your belt or your backpack. That's pretty much what's there apart from the lenses. So now let's talk about the lenses. So let's start with the lenses. बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है that both the sides are covered. So when I remove this is the beautiful lens, and the back side that will go on your phone also is covered with a really nice, very very thick cover. This will go on your phone. This is one lens. This is the fisheye lens जो आपको 230 degree view देता है. So fisheye पे I'll come back. Let's keep this back. This is the macro and the wide angle lens. So now even I'm figuring how to, it says यहाँ लिखा है 20x macro lens और 0.36 super wide angle lens. How do we turn this? Even it's written, the arrows are clear. Okay, so this is what, so when I turn this, and this is my macro lens, guys. I can't use it just like that. I have to put the macro lens on it and then use it. So let's see the three lenses. 1, 2 and 3. Beautiful 3 lenses that will change your mobile photography, your mobile videography. It is really cool. Just see how small and tiny these lenses are. I'm already loving it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these lenses out and let's see the results. So guys, on an iPhone, the top camera is my main camera. I will fit this lens on the top camera. Before doing any of this, clean your lenses guys. Clean your mobile lenses. Mobile lenses बहुत खराब होते हैं हमारे daily use के वजह से. So clean your lenses. And now that I've cleaned the lens, I will put this macro lens. Let me go out and get some pictures of some flowers and let's see how they come. The picture that you're seeing right now are of flowers from macro lens and the normal camera. मैंने camera का position change नहीं किया. I was holding these flowers. See the detailing, the beautiful detailing. I was very close to these flowers and see this. ये एक take a look at this. When I'm on one side, you can see me holding it without any lens. And on the other side you can see the detailing when I put the macro lens. Now let's try the wide angle lens. मैंने macro lens के ऊपर wide angle लगाया है. I'm going to take this out and try it. So guys, see the difference between these are pictures taken from normal lens, and on the other side you can see the wide angle lens. You can see the extra space in the wide angle lens. That is the best feature of it. कि nothing gets cut out. And now let's try the fisheye lens. I'll put this on the clip. And fisheye lens आपको एक थोड़ा round effect देगा. So let's try the fisheye lens on the same thing. I'll take one normal picture and I'll take one fisheye picture. So guys, see the difference. One is a fisheye picture जो आपको round दिख रहा है. That's a fisheye lens के साथ मैंने लिया है. And without moving the camera on the other side, you can see what a normal picture looks like. This is the effect you get from the fisheye lens. So I've tried all 3 lenses. I hope this gave you an idea of what all you can do with these 3 tiny lenses that you can buy. So guys, let me give you an idea of how much this will cost you. On Amazon, this will cost you, this 3 lens kit, Signy 3 lens kit for mobile phone will cost you 1699 rupees. If anyone is interested in, slightly upping your game with photography, this is actually a very good deal and it does change the quality, as you can see. अगर आप holiday पे जा रहे हैं, you're going anywhere, you don't want to carry a DSLR or any big camera, this really does the job. So guys, this is the kit. I'm definitely going to use more of this. मैं एक और वीडियो करूँगा कुछ समय बाद जब अच्छे से यूज़ कर लूँगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, please hit the like button. You can share this with your friends if they are looking for some options of some budgeted photography on the mobile phone. This is a really good buy. Subscribe to my channel so that I update you with the latest and you don't miss any videos. Stay safe and good luck with your mobile photography.